And for those who practice other religions, you may say Amen in your own way, but the prayer is really a general one for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the Juja South Estate. Our tagline is the pride of Juja. My name is Timothy Juma Odemba from the renowned Kayamba Africa, but I also do appreciate once in a while I'm allowed to MC, and I'm also very interested in real estate, and therefore that union is indeed one that can be beneficial to both you and I. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring to your attention that as we walked in, we did find various tents that were placed. And these tents are basically for registration, and the partners in terms of financing are also available. They are giving advice on mortgages and the special offers they have. We have ABC Bank, we have KCB, we have also National Bank. They will all be giving that kind of advice and what they have to offer you. It would be good at one time, when we are through with this official program, for you to pay them a visit and find out what they are indeed able to do. We do also have a booking desk, which is the DAL booking desk, where we want to make an announcement that there is an attractive offer where if you make a booking, you will be entered into a raffle, and this raffle, there will be various prizes. Indeed, there will be prizes that will be made up of household utilities and facilities, but the grand prize will be a car, and this car is a Mazda Demio. It's right there with the ribbons draped around it. This indeed is a very, very important incentive, in that when you buy a house, and more so I'm talking to men in this particular area, that whenever you buy a house, it is normally presented as a gift to the wife. It would add a lot of value if that gift came with a Demio. Ladies, you are supposed to clap for me, because this one I'm saying for your benefit. And I want to also note that despite the presence of men, do not feel that you are here in huge numbers. The ladies have come and outstripped your number in terms of numbers, in that they are seated down. So don't think you are a man, you are standing, this wanaume tumekuja wengi. Ladies wamekuja kabisa. So men, clap for the ladies now. I can assure you, the way our country is going and our thinking, ladies are increasingly becoming the decision makers, both at home, politically, and financially. And that's why I'm very proud to be associated with this particular project, because it's led by none other than the CEO, Patricia Gina, over there. Please let's clap for her. It's only last year, we actually couldn't even trace how to get here. We couldn't make out that within just a very short period, today we'll be looking at the first show house. That indeed is a very, very big achievement. Please give her a round of applause with her team. And indeed the team is made man who has been given the task of the general management in terms of this project, and that's none other than Mr. Adnan. Please let's appreciate him. Therefore, for now, it is important for us to get to know what the general manager has in store for us by coming over to give us a brief outlook of some of the details of DAL products. DAL is, of course, Developing Africa Limited. Bwana Adnan, karibu sana. Please let us appreciate him.
Thank you, Juma. Thanks for that. Dear esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming today. It's a very exciting time today, where we have the opportunity to reveal two of our sample shows.